Hello, everyone. I hope that you're all doing well. I'm not doing very well. Currently, I went from having the flu to also having pneumonia, so I'm going to be a little bit slow at responding to everybody's emails this week. I did want to make this video to go over a couple of things with you guys. First of all, please go over the syllabus and make sure that you understand that there's no late assignments that will be accepted. The only way that you can get a late assignment or an extension on a due date is if there's a medical excuse with specific dates in which the student is out of work. Also, if you go down further, it says down here, allow your instructor 24 hours to answer emails Monday through Friday. However, instructors are not required to answer emails Saturdays or Sundays. Because of this, I hope that you guys are looking over your assignments before the weekend so you can ask me any questions that you might have so I can answer them. You're able to complete your assignment successfully. Please make sure that you guys are doing this or going over these videos ahead of time so that you're not stuck with all these questions and then you don't get the answers until after the due date. If we go back to our content, now we're going to be in Module 4. Let me see. We have our due dates coming up. We still have our VHL activities every Sunday. This coming Sunday, November 4th, we'll have our second oral presentation. Then the week after that, you'll have your peer feedback. And then the same week, you'll have your rough draft, your second rough draft due. Also in quizzes. And then 2 weeks after that is when you'll turn in the final draft of the composition. So let's go back to check out the topic. So now we're in Module 4. Presentaciones orales. Okay, so all the information is here. Make sure that you guys are following it all. It gives you the time limit and the topic. Investigate an ongoing social problem in your community. Use past and present tense. Okay, hypothetical structure, past subjunctive, conditional tense, and the presentation with the present subjunctive, giving suggestions, recommendations, okay? So make sure that you guys are posting onto VoiceThread. If you have any problems or any trouble, please let me know. Course view. So here's where we'll be posting again. This is where you guys will be also doing the peer feedback. So if there's any questions, let me know so that I can make sure that you guys get those questions answered. I am going to be updating the rest of the grades for the compositions as I'm able to. We also have our VHL assignments still due. The ones that are the one we just had this one for last week, and then now upcoming this week for the 4th will be these assignments. You'll still have your 2 partner dialogues, and then if you guys notice, these are our last 3 VHL, last 3 weeks of VHL activities, and then we don't have any. Oh, yeah, we did. We have one more in December, and then those will be our last ones. But we don't have any the Sunday the 25th of November. So keep that in mind. And if you guys do have any questions, please let me know. If there's anything that you guys need addressed, I'm working on answering the emails. So please have some patience with me as I get better. Thank you.